another Kingscliff Sales and Rentals video presentation of 234 Marine Parade Kingscliff. That's the building there on the far left. It's located on Marine Parade with good quality buildings surrounding it. This is how the unit building presents from street level, and as we go inside we can see the property's been fully renovated. Brand new kitchen, new floors, new lights, new paint. Here's the lounge room. Balcony shot here. From the balcony we've got ocean glimpses towards the ocean. Another view of the lounge room showing the balcony. There's the main bedroom, got ceiling fan there as we can see as well. Built-ins in both rooms. Bathroom too has had a facelift. It's got a separate shower, separate toilet. And our last video clip here is that of a drone video taken at the northern end of Marine Parade. Kingscliff in the far distance. And here's the building here as pictured. So premium position right on Marine Parade opposite the beach. If you'd like to inspect this property for lease, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website for more photos and information at salesandrentals.com.au. Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.